start. However, the considerations pertaining to the welfare of the child may indicate lawful custody with another friend or relative as serving his/her interest better. The question of guardianship can be independent of and distinct from that of custody in facts and circumstances of each case. The court shall determine whether in proceedings relating to interim custody there are sufficient and compelling reasons to persuade the court to change the custody of the minor children with immediate effect. Stability and consistency in the affairs and routines of children is also an important consideration. Keeping in mind the paramount consideration of welfare of the children, the custody of the children which currently rests with their maternal relatives is not disturbed, as the scope of this order is limited. The appellant, in response to these submissions, contended that the High Court could not interfere with the findings of the family court unless serious infirmity is proven. The decision cited by the respondents were distinguished on the ground that these decisions concerned findings that were recorded after a full-fledged trial and not an order passed as an aid interim relief granting custody to one of the parties. The High Court, in its impugned judgment, had held that while appointing the guardian or deciding the matter of custody of the minor children during the pendency of guardianship proceedings, the first and foremost consideration for the court is the welfare of the children. The factors that must be kept in mind while determining the question of guardianship will apply with equal force to the question of interim custody. It was observed that the family court should have delved a little deeper into the matter and ascertained where the interest of the children lay. Instead of recording abstract findings, questions of prima facie case, balance of convenience and irreparable injury, the terms on which the appellant and his deceased wife were, the manner in which the respondents obtained the custody of the children are questions that should be determined during the course of trial. Though when the children's father is not unfit, otherwise he shall be the natural guardian. A child cannot be forced to stay with his/her father, according to the High Court, merely because the father has love and affection for his children and is not unfit to take care of the children. The welfare of children cannot be guaranteed.